show me on your hands which numbers you want to see, do, go over, have questions about, want to double check, anything like that. Is that 5? Okay, so we'll do those 3. 2, 4, and 5. Cool. Alright, number 2, if we are solving for W, there's a couple different ways you could do this. One was subtract 2L on both sides. So we have P minus 2L equals 2W. And then because these 2's was simplified, divide everything separately by 2. You get P over 2 minus L equals W. What you could have also done is divided everything by 2 first, then subtracted L. You would have got the same answer. So either or. Questions on that one? Number 4. Number 2 kind of helps you with number 4 because you know you're doing perimeter. That's the perimeter equation. Let's call this L, this W. And then we're just setting it up the same way. P equals 2 times 3y minus 5 plus 2 times 2y. So we can keep simplifying 6y minus 10 plus 4y so that P equals 10y minus 10. We don't know exactly what the perimeter is. If we knew what y was, we could go back and find the perimeter, go back and find the width, go back and find the length. But we just needed to simplify for this one.
That was great.
Don't second guess this one. Okay. Questions on this one? Alright, number 5 was a little tricky because we have the variable as in the denominator, but it's also attached to something else. So normally, if this were in the numerator and we had like the 3 in the denominator, we would multiply 3 on both sides. Or if this was just the b by itself, we would multiply on b on both sides. But in this case, you have to multiply the entire thing on both sides. Or I heard someone say they cross multiply, which would basically be the same thing here. You set this over 1 and cross multiply, same thing. So you can either multiply on both sides or cross multiply, which would be this. So that this would cancel, leaving 3 equals, this would just become 2b minus 8. And then you can solve like normal, add 8 to both sides, and divide both sides by 2.
We still got the same answer.
Yeah.
Still got the same answer.
So 11/2 or 5.5 should be your answer.
So I got the exact same answer for what I did if I multiplied by 3 to 1, and that got me 3, and then I just did 2b minus 8 over 3, and I still got the same answer.
Same. So you didn't multiply 3 on both sides, but you cross multiplied.
No, I multiplied 3 on 3.
Because that would work. That one just became this. But if you cross multiply it, then yes, it would work. This, just like the problem where we multiplied m on both sides, we just got more m's. That's all you would have done if you multiplied by 3. So be careful there. You may have accidentally got the right answer, but did the wrong method. Sorry, I think you had a question. Other questions on that one?
So when you cross multiply, will you get the 2b minus 8 equals 3?
Basically, yeah. Okay. So I have a handful of you, maybe a little more than that, that need to finish tests. So I'm gonna move you, separate you, get you started on that. Once you finish your test, you can bring it up to me and I'll let you know what you need to be working on afterwards, whether that's practice or does math. And then for everyone else, I'm going to be giving you your test back so you can look and see if you want to retake or not. I'll be coming by to see if you want to retake or not. There's your test. to see if you want to retake or not. And then if you don't want to retake, you're going to come up to me to see what you should be working on after that. And you can ask the joke.
What's this like? Everyone did one time. How would that cross out and not be like
Sit out
for
more.
that? Cause we did one time. We did one time 2 minus 8, but that how would that cross out and not even
So these didn't cross out. You basically did 1 times this. But 1 times anything is just wherever you're using like a roach. And then it cross out. Okay. Any questions on how Flex Say is going to work? Okay. So I'm going to get those of you that need to finish your test